How to get best Rio discount promo codes. In this video, I'm going to show you or provide you additional information so that you can use any types of discount promo codes for Rio. Now, if it's going to be the first time that you would like to use this application, do not create an account on their official site yet. Now, here's how. Create a new tab and then simply go into the website that's going to be couponchief.com. Go into search stores, type in Rio, choosing the very first one. So the reason why you will be creating an account here from Coupon Chief is because upon sign up, you will receive a lot of special offers. If you scroll down, you can also use the 60% off or any types of codes that you can use here. For you to copy the code or to get the deal, click this option here, of course. Copy the unique code and then paste it into Rio's official website. And that's how you find a working Rio discount promo codes.